4D Microcurrent Facial Massager Roller, Electric Rechargeable Facelift Beauty Roller Body Massage for Anti-Aging Wrinkles, Improved Facial Contour, Skin Tone Reduction and Firm Body Skin. White. New design multifunctional. This 4D face massager was new designed by us, which brings together all the advantages of the previous generation. It has microcurrent therapy, high-frequency vibration and phototherapy care functions. You can adjust vibration mode, vibration speed and microcurrent intensity. There are 5 choices for every functions. In total there are 125 choices to adjust. You don't need go to spa house, just at home to enjoy massage time. Microcurrent therapy. There are 5 modes microcurrent intensity. During working this face massage roller will release gentle microcurrent to stimulate ATP production which energizes the facial muscles. You can feel light tingling sensation, that means microcurrent has been released to your body. It truly improves facial contour, facial tone, reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It effectively reduces the dark circles, puffiness and wrinkles during massaging chin, cheeks, forehead and lips etc. High-frequency vibration. This face massager device is designed for maximum to 8,000 vibrations per minute. In order to provide user best massage time, we adopt fitful vibration mode. You can feel the vibration clearly. VM and mode buttons are used to adjust vibration ways. You can choose the best vibration speed and mode that you like. High-frequency vibration can relax muscle, which has extremely effect to anti-wrinkle. V-shape roller design can help you tight skin. Blue light phototherapy, 465 nm wavelength blue light. When it is irradiated with acne, almost all the energy can be effectively applied to P. acnes, which can stimulate the photodynamic changes of porphyrins to the maximum effect, kill P. acnes, and inhibit acne propionate. The growth. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.